So this season, we've completely changed how Bloodsport looks, how it functions. Protolabs made some really awesome parts for this year. The two main ones being kind of the structure of the chassis, which is below the blade, and then also the structure that sits above the weapon launcher blades. One of the unique things about Bloodsport is that it tends to be very quick on the drive. The chassis is very nimble. It kind of has a punchy drive style as we go around the box. Our secondary to that is that the weapon is really big, has a lot of reach. Twice the weapon motor power. It has things like 40% more drive power, new wheels. Everything's been redesigned from the ground up. Going into season 7, we really wanted to give the bot some personality, give it something for fans to be excited about, and also improve how the robot performs. I'm excited to kind of show this new iteration of Bloodsport to the world.